When it comes to real estate in the East Bay, everything is up. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Compared with last July, the number of homes on the market, the number of homes sold, and sales prices all increased. Let's start the weather report along the 880 corridor, where inventory was up almost everywhere. Homes for sale in Fremont jumped to almost 200 units. Hayward had almost 150. Newark and San Leandro both up more than 30%. Twice as many on the market in San Lorenzo, and Union City almost doubled too. Sales activity along the 880 was also encouraging. 85 homes sold in Berkeley, 32 in Newark, and 60 in San Leandro. There were higher sales prices in all the communities along 880. Let's look at the numbers. Albany was up 13%, Fremont up 17%, and Newark up 19%. Now let's head over to West Contra Costa County. Compared with the rest of the East Bay, the inventory picture was very different. With the exception of Hercules, inventory was down. El Cerrito dropped 21%, El Sobrante was down 17%, and Pinole down 18%. Now, even with this drop in inventory, sales activity was strong, with more homes sold throughout the region. Sales more than doubled in El Sobrante, 23 homes sold in Hercules, and San Pablo was up 60% with 16 homes sold. Sales prices were also on the rise in West Contra Costa County. El Cerrito was up 11% to more than $1 million. El Sobrante up 35%, with Richmond and San Pablo both up 17%. Next up, Central Contra Costa County. More homes on the market in most of Central Cocoa. A big jump, almost 40% in Concord, with 166 homes for sale. Pleasant Hill up 10%, that's 33 homes, and Walnut Creek almost up 20% with 59 homes for sale. Home sales followed the inventory trend with more activity almost everywhere. 15 homes sold in Clayton, almost 100 in Concord, and Pleasant Hill up more than 30% with 34 sold. Sales prices up everywhere in Central Contra Costa. Martinez, Pleasant Hill, and Walnut Creek each had double-digit increases compared with last July. Okay, it's always interesting to check out Lamorinda. Inventory? Mixed. Lafayette gained 4 units, Moraga dropped 15, and Orinda was up by 5 units. Sales activity was also mixed. No change in Lafayette, 3 more homes sold in Moraga and 1 more in Orinda. Sales prices were also interesting. Prices down 6% in Lafayette, up 6% in Moraga, and down 8% in Orinda. Now let's visit the Tri-Valley. Inventory was looking good along the 680 and 580. Danville was up 15% with almost 140 homes for sale. Dublin up almost 60% with 58 for sale, and Livermore and Pleasanton both up 35% compared with last July. Sales activity in the Tri-Valley was mostly strong. Fewer homes sold in Alamo and Dublin, but sales up everywhere else. 94 in Livermore, 75 in Pleasanton, and 90 in San Ramon. Sales prices in the Tri-Valley, you're still looking at $1 million plus. Prices did drop 14% in Alamo, but were up everywhere else. The largest increase was an 18% jump in Pleasanton to $1.3 million. San Ramon up 10% to more than $1.2 million. Let's check the Delta, and then we're out. More homes on the market across the Delta. Supply in Antioch up more than 30% with 125 homes for sale. Brentwood up 3%, and Pittsburgh up more than 40% with almost 90 homes for sale. Now, even with more supply, the number of homes sold was mixed. Antioch was up almost 25% with 131 homes sold. Brentwood was also up 184 sold, but Pittsburgh did drop 20% with only 55 sold. Sales prices in the Delta continue to climb. Antioch up more than 3% to more than $450,000. Brentwood and Pittsburgh both up 10%. That's it for the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We'll see you next month.